Get ready, sport car enthusiasts. The MG Cyberster has officially arrived for 2025, and it is turning heads with its stunning design and electrifying performance. This all-electric Roadster is not just about looks, it's packed with features that make it a contender in the growing electric sports car market. But what sets the Cyberster apart, and is it worth the investment? Let's dive into the details. MG, a name synonymous with British motoring heritage, has made a remarkable comeback in recent years, launching a range of electric vehicles that blend style, performance, and practicality. The Cyberster is MG's ambitious entry into the electric sports car segment, designed to evoke the nostalgia of classic Roadster while integrating cutting-edge technology. With a sleek silhouette and futuristic features, the Cyberster is designed to appeal to both traditional MG fans and a new generation of drivers. MG has a storied history dating back to the early 20th century, originally renowned for its lightweight sports cars. In recent years, MG has shifted its focus toward electric mobility, and the Cyberster represents the culmination of this evolution. Unveiled in 2021 at the Shanghai Auto Show, the Cyberster concept captured the imagination of car enthusiasts, and now, with the 2025 production model, MG is ready to deliver on that promise. By harnessing the rich heritage and combining it with modern design and technology, MG aims to redefine what a sports car can be. Let's talk design. The Cyberster flaunts a stunning two-door Roadster layout with a sleek aerodynamic body that screams performance. The expressive front end features sharp LED headlights and a distinctive grille that pays homage to MG's classic styling while still looking thoroughly modern. Indeed, the cabin is equally impressive. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive. The Cyberster offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and minimalist design. The centerpiece is a large curved touchscreen that controls the infotainment system, integrating navigation, media, and vehicle settings seamlessly. The Cyberster is not just about looks. It also boasts advanced features such as an augmented reality heads-up display, a premium sound system, and multiple driving modes to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Plus, you can expect plenty of space for both driver and passengers, making it a practical choice for a sports car. Now let's get into the heart of the matter: performance. The MG Cyberster will be offered with two battery options, providing varying ranges to suit different driving needs. The standard model is expected to deliver around 400 km on a single charge, while the performance variant aims for an impressive range of up to 500 km. Under the hood, the Cyberster features dual electric motors, allowing for all-wheel drive and a combined output of approximately 500 horsepower. This means the Cyberster can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds, rivaling some of the top-performing electric sports cars on the market today. With rapid charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes using a fast charger, making it a great option for longer road trips. Now let's talk about the price. The MG Cyberster is expected to start at around 80,000 Australian dollars, with the performance variant going up to approximately 100,000 Australian dollars. Considering its blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Cyberster offers excellent value in the electric sports car segment. Subscribe to Car Comparison Shop for more such amazing videos.